A little chilly today, but Abby and I are out getting some fresh air, and I couldn't be happier about that. We're here today at our airfield, believe it or not, where we've put together a makeshift crawler course in a matter of a total of like maybe 20 minutes tops, if that.
After additions and changes have been made.
All the days combined, and it's turning out to be a pretty cool course with what I think is possibly one of my favorite crawlers. This is the Wraith 1.9. I'm really happy with its performance so far, but I've only driven it kind of lightly. So now we have this course that we're crawling through. We did a couple like knockoff brands going through it, and then we also did Abby's Deadbolt SCX-10 2, and it did really well. So I'm curious to see how this holds up, because I really love how this truck looks, really do. And it's just kind of a throwback to my old Wraith. I still have it and I love it. Maybe we'll have to take it through the course too. We're going to run it today on the Spectrum Smart battery. If you guys don't know about these, I haven't talked about them for a while, so I thought I'd mention it today. This is a 2S. It's just a normal, what you'd see in a crawler truck all the time. 2 cells, 5,000 milliamp. You get like 2-hour runtime on these, depending on how you drive it, of course, but realistically, 1.5 hours or so for sure. These are amazing. What makes these so unique isn't just like their high performance batteries, but they have this smart technology where they auto discharge, they storage charge. If you are unfamiliar with the dangers of lipos, one of the worst things you can do for your lipo is to charge it to full and then never use it. And this happens in the hobby a lot, because guys will have 10 of these maybe, and they'll charge their, or 2 or more, they'll charge their batteries and they'll go run 1 or 2 of them, and they'll leave that 3rd one unused, and they just toss it in the corner and forget about it. This happens all the time. And what can happen is that can puff over time and even cause a fire. You have to be very careful with lipos. It's rare, but it does happen. Well, these, if you fully charge them, after a few days, they start to trickle discharge. And it could take a few more days for it to get into the storage mode, but when they're in a storage charge at 3.8 volts per cell, that's the safest state a lipo battery can be in. Okay, that's a really awesome piece of technology in this battery. It only costs a few more dollars than most normal batteries. We'll have them linked in our description box below. I'm not just here to push a battery on you guys. We genuinely care about everyone that's watching our videos, and then some, and we want everyone to be as safe as possible in these trying times especially. So let's not let lipo batteries be an additional thing to worry about in these crazy times. Get some good, just try one. Just get one battery for your favorite RC. I think you'll know what I'm talking about after you've experienced it. A lot of you guys are switching over. Don't throw away your old batteries. Just slowly transition as your old batteries go bad. Okay, Abby and I are going to go through this course now and have some crawling fun. Doesn't that look good with those headlights on there? And there's room for more, and I love that your battery's mounted up under the hood. Since this is my truck, I'm going to run through the course first. And then Abby can drive it, no problem. I don't have any problem with her driving my truck, but I want to take the course first. And we didn't make any changes since the last time we ran here, because we kind of want to compare and see how this runs the course versus some of those cheaper trucks. So I have a feeling it's going to do a little bit better. I'm hoping anyway, because it's my truck.
Well, you didn't get your right tire on there.
Right, I got to get some traction, don't I? Yep. And the left tire swings over. There we go. Not bad at all. We swing down the hill on this side. I'd like to bring some more dirt out here and make the mounds a little taller, but beggars can't be choosers. Maybe I'll probably turn my steering rate up here. So what that means is now my steering servo is going to turn a lot tighter. I just turned it up quite a bit. It was actually really low. I might have got bumped. I like how quiet this one runs compared to those off-brand trucks. Okay, this part, there's no challenge here. It's just a really cool part. Until you get up here, you just got to keep good balance. Okay. Oh, I slid right off of there, Abby. This may be...
Can you recover? No.
Oh, no, that was just user error. Okay. I had one reset. We'll see if you have to reset it all going through the course.
Okay.
I suppose the weather and stuff could have made some changes to the course.
It's possible. We've had some rough rain.
Really bad winds and rain. Okay. Now here we go. Remember, we always have to swing really wide here, but I just turned my steering rate up, so I'm hoping, yeah, that's a pretty tight turn. That was nice.
Will we knock the boards over?
This is one of my favorite parts of the course here with these boards. I want to see if I can take this slow. Oh, no. No. You gotta give it throttle going down or you'll roll over.
I feel like our boards need scooted over some too.
We probably can handle that, but for now, I'll try to get it just like the others have had to struggle through it. Okay, I'm gonna juice it down. There, you just need a little bit of throttle to maintain.
You get your tires all muddy right there.
Now what did we do? What did we say? We have to go around this way, don't we?
You go over the pipe and then you go up the hill.
Okay. No problem on the pipe.
You gotta come right here.
Oh, it's that way?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know what I was thinking.
You gotta come here.
You're right. Okay, this is the tough part here because things kind of shift. I can see that our little wood blocks
Yeah, they're not in the right spot.
And same with this other stick, but I think I can do it. Just gotta really focus. That's a nice little balance.
You're doing good. It's leaning too. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Nice, 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 nice.
You come down here.
Right?
Yeah.
All right.
Good job.
I really like our course that we put together.
Yeah, I do too.
I love this thing. I know you're dying. Have you even driven the 1.9? Yeah, you did at the hill, right?
Short, very short amount of time, I think.
Yeah. I haven't got to drive it as much as I wanted to, so I'm glad I brought this out here today. Oops, we're getting a little bit of rain, Abby.
I told you we're getting rain. Look at the sky. You can see the rain falling way out there.
Yeah, you're right.
It's gonna start pouring.
Okay, we may not have long, guys. It is supposed to rain tonight, so I love how this thing looks, Abby. This is one of my favorite looking crawlers.
Oh, I already know. Hold on, reset.
Reset, she says.
That didn't count.
Doesn't count, okay. I had to do one official reset for the course. No, two, I guess, because I fell off the hill, so I guess we'll say two.
That was an unofficial one.
What, when I fell off the hill?
No, mine.
Yeah, that's okay. No, we're not counting it. It was just the start. Guys, we're not super serious here. If you're just kind of early tuning in, like you haven't watched a lot of our videos, it's all about fun for us. We're not very like die-hard competitive. Don't you guys love this metal incline that we have?
Oh,
okay,
no.
this is the spot.
Terrible approach.
I think you'll save it though.
If you were watching my right wheel, that would have been pretty fun to see. It was completely off. And
You saved it. You had enough grip on the left to pull back up. Look how slow that can go. So quiet too.
Same.
It's fun. It's a fun hobby. To the people that are watching, you're like, oh man, that truck's just going slow. It's like, it's boring, right? No. I'm guessing if you're saying that or thinking that, oh, that was goofy. I'm going to count that as one fail. Yeah.
I was trying to take it around more so we could have a better approach.
Yeah.
Gotta fix
I mean, I don't know. We'll count. That's a half a point. Okay, that's a half a point.
We still need to fix this spot so we can cut it.
Oh, nice save. Oh, you just rolled my truck in the mud.
Yep.
Oh, Abby, you get to clean it. That's how that works. She is always so rough on my trucks. That's okay though. They're meant to get dirty. What I was saying though, if you're thinking that crawlers are just like slow paced and boring and stuff, I'm guessing you've never actually driven a 10th scale crawler before or going through a crawler course, because once you have, it just is so much fun. This is gonna count, Abby. This, I think, yeah, the tires are wet, but they were on mine too. See those wood blocks right there? Yeah.
Setup is all messed up.
A little bit. We need something a little more permanent there to help get up on that stick.
Let's see how that goes.
Our camera battery is low too. I mean, nope, that wood block moved. Oh, not in the mud again. Oh, what are you doing? Well, are you even going to try to? Okay. All right. I really am making Abby clean my truck.
You have some trucks of mine you still have to clean, so.
Okay. Do I?
Yeah. Remember that time when we got the Losi completely dirty and
Yeah.
right after you conveniently had a phone call while I wiped it down? Remember that?
Yeah, that's true. The short course truck, right?
Yep.
The short course truck is yours though, isn't it?
So you didn't help though. You contributed to the money.
Well, you climbed up on the sticks, so that's good. Let's see, don't fall off, because that's tipping a lot now. Can you guys see how much that's tipping? Look at that. That's such a cool crawler. I love this thing. I'll tell you what, I'm probably gonna leave that mud on there. It looks really cool.
You're welcome.
Nice job, Abby. Who do you think won between the two of us? You think so? Okay, that's fun. I love bringing the Wraith 1.9 here. I think that it did do better than the off-brands that we've had. Not sure if it did better than your deadbolt. What do you think?
I had better luck with my deadbolt, but I have more experience on my deadbolt.
I think what we might need to do is start bringing 2 crawlers for one video, and I'll drive one and you drive one. Maybe we switch off and go through the course again or something.
That'd be cool.
And see which one wins through the course. And I still want to make continual changes and updates to our course. Now we have those 2 pipes that we can do something with.
Yeah, we found
the second one. So let us know in the comments below. First, who do you think ran through the course better? I really want to hear from you guys because I feel like I did on parts.
I think you did better than me.
I think Abby did on some parts better than me, like the cinder block part. And then also if you have ideas, like realistic ideas that you've seen through the course, we can make a couple changes. Let us know what you would like to do if this was your crawling course. Maybe we'll make those changes to our course and you'll see those updates here. Abby and I might be able to bring some stuff from home and add to this crawling course too. And who knows, the club one day might be like, we're just gonna move that pile of dirt. What's all that clutter on that pile of dirt for? And then, you know, it could all just be gone one day. I don't know if they watch these truck videos. I know they watch the plane videos. But I thank God for giving us this time to do these videos, to be here and play with toys with you guys, for us to be able to get out and get some fresh air. It's just been wonderful. Today is kind of an unexpected bonus day for us, especially through these trying times. We know everybody is going through some rough times, and so we're doing what we can. We're doing our part by social distancing. We're here at our privately owned airfield, which is a little over 10 acres. Is that right? Is it 8 or 10?
With Death Valley, it's about 10.
Yeah, top of the hill is about 4 or 5 acres. In Death Valley, it's a lot of land. So we're far away from people, yet we're doing everything that we can to bring some RC fun and goodness to you guys. That's our major goal right now. And so for you just watching, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the ad before this, because by you watching that ad, it's probably helping buy some groceries for us. Thank you so much. And before we go, I want to say a huge thank you to all these names that are scrolling by right now. These are our top tier, some of our top tier patron supporters. Without all of the patron support that we're getting and the people stepping up to help us, we couldn't keep doing what we're doing, especially right now. So thank you so much. Guys, there's an awesome crawling video. Probably, you know what, let's do the last crawling video we did here.
So do it.
Your deadbolt, and see how it ran versus this. So before you click away, check that video out. We'll definitely see you there. Thanks for watching.